What is up, guys? I am back and welcome to a brand new video. I have not uploaded in a month just because I was on a vacation. I just got back recently. I have traveled to the Philippines and Japan. I did some video in Japan that is going to be coming up hopefully this month. It's going to be a vlog, a little shopping vlog. So I should be coming out soon. But for this video, I decided to show you guys ways I make button-up stylish. I have an example button-up here that I'm gonna make stylish today. As you guys know, button-ups are kind of dominating it right now just because it is a good piece to rock in the summertime, not too hot, and it's just perfect for the summertime. So I want to kind of style this because I have been wearing button-ups non-stop at this type of weather. So everything in the list that I'm going to be telling you guys in this video are strictly going to be my opinion of what I think are the best ways to style a button-up and making it look stylish. From all the lists I'm going to be telling you guys, I don't apply everything every time I style it. So sometimes I like to just style it very subtly, or sometimes I like to go all out. It's really up to you if you find something in this video so you can start applying it to how you style your button-up. But with that being said, let's go start the list. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to be using this beautiful vintage looking button-up to style today, so you guys can really get an idea, showing you guys applying everything in this specific button-up. So first one, I like to either tuck it in or tuck it out, just depending on the style you're going for. So if I decide to do a street style type of outfit with a button-up, I would just leave it out instead of tucking it in. Or if I do a casual, more classy look, I like to tuck it in. I feel like just really knowing the difference between tucked in and tucked out, depending on what fit you're doing, really just kind of finish it up in a good way. The next on the list is very subtle, but it really makes it stylish in my opinion, is unbuttoning the top 2 or 3, just depending how you like the style. I like to do that just because I put some accessories on my neck, and putting those accessories really shows it off really good, and it really adds more style to the button-up. So with those 2 on the list accomplished, I like to add accessories when I'm styling the button-up. I usually add 3 types of accessories to just finish it up. Like you guys know me, I wear a lot of accessories. Of course, I'm gonna end up adding 1 or 2 types. So the first one being rings. Of course, can't really leave rings out. I just love wearing these, especially with button-up. Just since you're not really showing too much with the button-up, you really adding accessories really kind of makes it more pop, and that's why I love adding rings. Sometimes I like to just go subtly. It's just 1 or 2, but sometimes, you know, when I'm feeling like I want to go all out, I go all out with 4 or 5 even. So the next type of accessories I like to use are going to be necklaces and chains. Every time you see me with a button-up, I will always be rocking a necklace, 1 or 2, really just depending on how I like the outfit, just because I think necklaces and chains do so much when you're styling a button-up. Like I said, having the top 2 unbuttoned to really just show it off just adds a lot of style to it, and that's why I like adding this type of accessories to the button-up. So the last and third type of accessories I like to use while wearing a button-up are probably going to be a personal favorite, just because it's such a essential for the summertime, and it's going to be your sunglasses. I like to wear a lot of sunglasses with button-ups. Not even with button-ups, I like to just use it in general. But with button-ups, it really adds a lot, just depending on what kind. So like a small one, maybe one of those thick, big lenses, sunglasses would be good to style it. Sometimes I like to go like this, just a regular clear glasses. These ones are not prescriptive. These ones are just like just for style purposes. Having sunglasses while styling the button-up, I think looks really good, and it's such a great way to just finish it up, especially for the summertime. So that's a personal favorite of mine. And alright guys, if you guys do enjoy that video, if you guys did end up finding something in this video that you want to apply to styling your button-up, give it a like. and also comment down below any ways you style it that is something different from the list that I give you guys today. Maybe somebody can pick it up and use that to the ways they style it, and that'd be nice. With that being said, hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys later.